It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry, Bussy, and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
It is Monday. That means it's time for Marry Me Monday. My name is Sam, and on the phone with me this morning, Sherry Bussy, owner of Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sherry.
Good morning, everyone.
Emerald City is open, and you have been seeing so many people come in, Sherry, that are needing repairs to their rings because people have been at home and they're working hard and their rings are getting damaged.
Right, I think we've had 10 to 15 people come in with bent prongs. You know, oftentimes you might be making more beds, or you're going to your closets and hangers are bending rings or knocking the prongs over. So after you get everything settled at home, make sure we have a chance to check your rings and make sure everything's good. Sometimes stones get a little loose and they need to get tightened up. We do the work right here in the store, and so you don't have to have it sent away. And we also restore rings the way they were when you first purchased them and make them brand new again. If you'd like them to have your rings rhodium plated or just cleaned and polished, we can do it for you right there in the store, and you do not have to buy it from us.
Plus, your doors are open and you're practicing your social distancing. You've gotten masks for people to wear when they come in, so still offering that curbside assistance too if people don't feel comfortable coming into the store.
That's right, and for delivery or even drop-off of things. We also are available by text messaging. If you want to text message to the store, anybody that works for me has access to answering the text message, so you can talk to any salesperson or person that works at the store if you want. We feel like love is essential. Jewelry stores may not have been an essential business, but we think love is, and it doesn't stop.
You're absolutely right, and of course you've got that fantastic website where you can get pre-approved and then go shopping at Emerald City Jewelers, where doors are open and ready to serve you, whether it's repairs or cleaning. Sherry, tell everybody where you're located and how they can get a hold of you if they have any questions.
We are located at the corner of 33rd and Broadway, across from the main entrance of the mall. We are in the building with the emerald green roof. Just come in underneath the canopy. There's a hand sanitizer out in the foyer. You can use that before you come in. And we have little yellow bricks placed around the floor to indicate the 6-foot social distancing, so that kind of gives you a little guideline. We're open from 10 o'clock till 5 every day but Saturday and Sunday. Saturdays we are open from 10 until 2, and Sundays we're closed.
There you have it, Sherry from Emerald City Jewelers. I'll be there here in a minute or two. I've got to get this ring clean. It's totally disgusting. Sherry, thank you so much, and we'll talk to you next week.
All right, thank you, Sam.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.